The first misunderstanding is that Africa is going cashless. It is not. African fintech is one of the most misunderstood industries on the continent, not because the ideas are wrong, but because the assumptions are wrong. People keep trying to copy paste Western fintech models into African markets, and then they are shocked when the numbers do not add up. So let me show you the real structure. The first misunderstanding is that Africa is going cashless. It is not. Cash is still king across most of sub-Saharan Africa. Mobile money is growing, yes, but it is growing alongside cash, not replacing it. So when investors build products assuming a cashless future, they are building for a customer that doesn't exist yet. The second misunderstanding is fintech is the solution to everything. Media headlines love to say fintech will fix inflation, poverty, and financial exclusion. But digital money has downsides too, from fraud to regulatory gaps to digital illiteracy. Fintech is not a miracle, it is infrastructure, and infrastructure only works when the environment supports it. The third misunderstanding is that African fintech fails because of bad ideas. No, most failures come from trying to do too much too soon. Founders build super apps before they build product market fit. They chase every vertical, talk about payment, lending, savings, insurance, and burn out before they scale. The problem isn't ambition, the problem is architecture. The fourth misunderstanding is if you build it, users will come. African fintech doesn't scale through downloads, it scales through active users. And active users only come when the product solves an offline problem, not an online fantasy. This is why the most successful fintechs understand the offline market better than the online one. So, what is the real solution? First, build for the market you have, not the market you imagine. If cash determines, if cash dominates, integrate cash. If trust is low, build trust. If literacy is uneven, simplify. Second, solve one problem extremely well before expanding. Africa doesn't need more super apps. No, it needs super solutions. Third, respect regulation. Regulators aren't obstacles, they are part of the ecosystem. If you do not design with them, you design against them. Fourth, build distribution before sophistication. The winners in Africa FinTech won't be the ones with the most features, they will be the ones with the deepest reach. African FinTech isn't misunderstood because it is complicated. No, it is misunderstood because people keep trying to explain it using someone else's logic. Once you understand the real economics, the cash reality, the offline market, the regulatory terrain, and the need for focused solutions, the entire sector becomes clear. Fintech isn't the answer to Africa's problems, but it is one of the most powerful tools when built with the right architecture.